Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add custom Instagram feed on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you are going to be doing is it is highly suggested that you install something related to Instagram. So let's just search for that on the App Store of Shopify, and I'm going to be searching for Instagram. You will have a lot of apps that are basically for your shop. You can see we have Instagram and Facebook. You can have social media shop, or this is basically for shop, but you can see we have Insta feed plus story, and we can incorporate it onto our store as well. So you can install it and get your business having a Shopify or integrated with Instagram easily. So that's how you can add Instagram feed to Shopify store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.